Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Waze app not loading on your iPhone. If Waze is stuck on the loading screen, keeps crashing, or won't open properly, here are several easy solutions you can try. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network, since Waze needs an internet connection to load maps and services. Next, completely close the Waze app from the app switcher, then reopen it to see if the issue is resolved. If that doesn't work, restart your iPhone. A simple reboot can clear temporary glitches that may prevent apps from loading correctly. You should also check if there's an update available for Waze on the App Store. Installing the latest version can fix bugs and improve app performance. If the problem continues, go to Settings, then General, iPhone Storage, find Waze, and choose Offload App or delete and uninstall it. This can replace any corrupted app files without affecting your account. Also, make sure location services are enabled and that Waze has permission to access your location while using your app. Finally, check if your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS, since outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues with apps. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Waze app not loading on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.